So children, just now I had explained about the structure of uterus. The wall of uterus has three layers. You can say the wall of uterus has three layers of tissues. Number one is known as perimetrium, second is myometrium, and third is endometrium. Endometrium is glandular membranous structure, and before every ovulation, the inner structure, that is endometrium, the wall of endometrium become thick and soft, okay, with lot of blood capillaries. Why lot of blood capillaries? Because help in the development and supply with food and oxygen to the zygote. But if fertilization not takes place, then after ovulation, if fertilization not takes place, means the ovum is not fertilized, so the thick and soft uterus lining having lot of blood capillaries in it is not required. Understood all of you? So the unfertilized egg dies within a day, and when unfertilized egg dies, then with the wall of endometrium it becomes breakdown, and with the wall of endometrium it comes in the form of flow, and that flow is known as bleeding, and this bleeding makes a cycle. This cycle is known as menstrual cycle. So menstrual cycle completes into 4 phases. Number one is known as menstrual phase, that is known as bleeding period. Second is known as follicular phase, and in this follicular phase the egg is released, or you can say the egg is expelled out from the body. Third phase is known as ovulatory phase, and in ovulatory the secretion, or you can say the release of egg takes place from the ovary. And fourth is known as secretory phase, and that secretory phase is known as luteal phase. Understood all of you? So menstrual cycle completes into 4 phases. One is known as menstrual phase, second is known as follicular phase, third is known as ovulatory phase, and fourth is known as luteal secretory phase. Children, here you can see the picture of all the phases. One is known as menstrual phase, second follicular phase, third ovulatory phase, and fourth is known as luteal phase. Menstrual phase. In menstrual phase the wall of endometrium break down, okay, and along with blood vessels they comes in the form of blood flow. And in follicular phase the secretion of hormones takes place, and the secretion of hormone is known as follicular stimulating hormone, and the hormones are estrogen and progesterone. So with the secretion of hormones, the growth of primary follicles to become Graafian follicles, and this Graafian follicles along with the endometrium comes outside from the body. So with the help of estrogen also, regeneration of endometrium takes place, okay. So this way first shedding off takes place, after that regeneration, or you can say repairing of endometrium takes place, and this cycle completes into 28 days, and cycle is known as menstrual cycle. So this is all about the menstrual cycle. You all have to note down the salient features of menstrual cycle in your copies, okay.